In order to ensure responsible mining practices in arid regions, a shift in our perspective on water is necessary. Greetings, everyone. Today we will be discussing a significant research conducted by the University of Massachusetts Amherst, the University of Alaska Anchorage, and Columbia University. This study focuses on the dry Andes region in Chile, Argentina, and Bolivia, which holds the majority of the world's lithium deposits and other crucial elements like copper. These elements play a vital role in transitioning from oil to green energy, specifically electricity. The researchers have conducted the most extensive hydrological tracer analysis ever done in this region. The findings reveal that there are two distinct components in the water budget of the dry Andes, and they exhibit contrasting responses to both environmental changes and human usage. The implications of these findings are immediate, highlighting the need for managers to adopt different strategies for managing young and old waters. Without any further delay, let us now begin our discussion. According to Brendan Moran, the primary author of the paper and a postdoctoral research associate in geosciences at UMass Amherst, our understanding of water has been flawed. The conventional belief is that all water is the same and should be managed uniformly. However, our research reveals that in the dry Andes, there are two distinct components of the water budget that react differently to environmental shifts and human consumption. Lithium, a crucial element in high-powered batteries found in electric cars and photovoltaic systems, relies heavily on water. However, lithium has a natural aversion to existing in solid form and is typically found in layers of volcanic ash. It has a rapid reaction with water, causing it to leach into the groundwater when rain or snowmelt passes through these ash layers. Eventually, the lithium settles in flat basins, where it remains in a solution with water, creating a briny mixture. Due to its high density, this lithium-rich fluid often settles beneath pockets of fresh surface water, creating a distinct separation between the two. These unique ecosystems, including lagoons and wetlands, become sanctuaries for iconic species like flamingos. Despite their close proximity, these bodies of water are fundamentally different, raising the question of how one can differentiate between them. Using a combination of tritium, 3H, and the ratio between oxygen isotope 18O and hydrogen isotope 2H, Moran, Boot, and Monk devised a method to determine the age of water samples and track their interaction with the surrounding landscape. Tritium, which naturally occurs in rainwater, undergoes decay at a consistent rate. This allows the researchers to establish the relative age of the water, distinguishing between old water that fell over a century ago and contemporary water that recently precipitated within weeks or years. By examining the ratio between 18O and 2H, the researchers were able to track the extent of water evaporation. The unique 18O/2H ratio acts as a distinctive identifier, as it varies between different water sources such as streams and lakes. This valuable information enables us to determine the origin of the water and the duration it has spent above ground. In their groundbreaking research, Moran and Boot collaborated with stakeholders in the dry Andes to collect samples from nearly every water source across the entire region. This remarkable accomplishment is particularly notable considering the challenging conditions and low population density of the dry Andes. The researchers also conducted isotopic measurements on the collected samples. Through this process, they were able to uncover the stark contrast in behavior between older and younger waters, highlighting that they do not readily blend together. According to Bout, the hydrological system in the dry Andes is sustained by deep, ancient groundwater. While only 40% of the water is derived from contemporary surface sources. It is this surface water that is most susceptible to climate change, storm patterns, and human activities such as mining. Previously, scientists believed that surface water was the most reliable due to constant replenishment from runoff. However, in extremely arid regions like the dry Andes, this assumption is false. Unfortunately, this newfound understanding of water dynamics has yet to be integrated into any management system worldwide. According to Moran, the significance of this is readily apparent. One crucial aspect is safeguarding the diverse channels through which youthful rainwater is channeled into the vital lagoons and wetlands. Additionally, it necessitates the implementation of distinct strategies for managing both fresh and aged water. There is no universal solution that can be applied in all cases. Highlighting its significance, Bout emphasizes that the hydrology observed in the arid regions of the dry Andes is indicative of hydrological patterns in other extremely dry areas, such as the US West. It is important to note that this hydrological phenomenon is not exclusive to lithium mining activities. According to Moran, water behaves similarly in arid regions all around the world, which is why water managers worldwide must prioritize understanding the age and source of their water and implementing appropriate policies to safeguard their unique hydrological cycles. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.